Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Android. In this video, we are going to see about custom views. Before we start, we need to know about what is custom view. In Android, every element is called view. There are two types of view available. One, generic view. There are more than 70 views available in this category. 2, custom view. This is the one we are going to see in this video. Some Android app has unique needs that aren't covered by generic views. In that case, we need to use custom view. For easy understanding, we are going to create a custom view which will contain more than one generic views. Let's see an example. Let's take qualification. A user can have 0 or more qualifications. So, we are going to create a custom view for this scenario. User needs to select a qualification from our suggestion. Also, he can able to give his own if we miss any. So we need to use autocomplete text view for giving suggestion, a list view to hold selected qualification, and a button to add the selected item to the list. I am creating a new project to demonstrate this. I have given all the drawables used in this video as a zip file in the description below. Right click on the drawable and select Show on Explorer. Copy the files here. Right click on the layout folder, New, Layout Resource file. I am giving the file name as My Custom View Layout. Click on Next. Click on Text. Change the root layout to Merge and remove width and height attribute. Using Merge tag for the custom view might improve performance. Inside, I am creating a linear layout with width as match parent, height as match parent, and orientation as vertical. Adding a text view to display the title with width as match parent, height as wrap content, and text size as 15 sp. Below that, I am creating a relative layout to display the autocomplete text view and image view for adding the selection. Create autocomplete text view with width as match parent, height as wrap content. Create an image view to display add icon with width as 48 dp and height as 40 dp. Align parent and true, center vertical true, background as selection button inverted background from drawables. Source as add underscore white from drawables. We need to add align parent right as true to support the device which has API level less than 17. Assigning ID for the image view as add, aligning the autocomplete text view to the left of the add button, using to start off as the add view and to left off as the add view. Assigning ID. Also assigning ID for the title text view. Now we need to create custom view item for displaying the selected item. So create a new layout file and give the name as My Custom View Item. Change the root layout to relative layout and width as match parent, height as wrap content. Inside, I am adding an image to display delete icon with width as 48 dp and height as 40 dp. Aligning it to the right of the parent using align parent end and align parent right. Setting the background as selection button background, source as delete from drawables, and padding 5 dp. Assigning ID for the image view as delete. Adding text view to display selected text with width as match parent and height as wrap content. I don't want the item to be more than one line, so I am setting the ellipse size as end and max line to 1. Center vertical true. I am adding this to image view but I didn't covered it previously, so add it now. Aligning the text view before delete image view using 2 start off and 2 write off attributes. Assigning text size as 18 sp. Sorry, we need to use 2 left off, not 2 right off. So I am changing it now. Now I am creating a new Kotlin file for custom view. I am naming this as my custom view. Create a class as same as file name. Creating constructor with context, attribute set as parameter and extending linear layout. Because we have linear layout inside merge tag, so I am extending linear layout. In init, we need to inflate the custom view which we need to show to the user. In next part, we'll see how to use the inflated view and how to use the custom view. That's all for this tutorial guys. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Also, if you want to see any specific video, let me know in the comment section. Hope you like it. I will see you on my next video. Have a nice day.